TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow up 2 points, Nasdaq's down 1, S&Ps are down 3.5. Gold contracts trading down $3.20 at $1,085. We have silver off 6 cents, $14.29. Platinum's down 14. That's a big hit there at $8.85 an ounce. Copper is flat at $2.21. Light sweet crude down 60 cents, trading at $43.60 a barrel. Bonds. The 10-year is down 7 ticks. The 30 is off 29 ticks. The bond market, the pits are actually closed. We have electronic trading for the next couple hours. Bank holiday, Veterans Day. Happy Veterans Day, everyone. Make it a great one and make it a safe one. King dollar. King dollar's down 355 ticks, 99.03. You got the euro up 22 at 107, and the yen is trading at 1.23. Now, if we go over and we take a look at the S&Ps, what you have is this, folks. It's pretty neat what happened out here yesterday. So we take a look at the S&Ps. What the SPY had done yesterday is this. On Monday, we came down with 131 million shares. You hit a low out there of 206.95. What did you do yesterday? You went higher with 75 million shares. Bottom line, you got a little bit higher today. You're going to have lighter volume. It can't handle price. What does that mean? That means, number one, that you're going to be back down at the lows that were established on Monday, which is 206.95. I suspect we're going to go lower. Why? Because if we go over to the NDX 100, what you have is this. And this is very hard for a market to do. When you have different indices, one going up, one going down, meaning that we had the S&P going up, the NASDAQ was going down, the NDX was going down, and the NDX did on Monday go down to 112.86. You had 33 million shares traded. We got to a lower low yesterday with 35 million shares traded. What does that mean? That means it wants lower price, number one. What do we have out here today? And this is where the confirmation's coming in, is that you got to a higher high than yesterday. I expect you're going to get lower volume. Thus far, the futures were up good, and the market can't handle higher price. What does that mean? That means that the market actually is in harmony, specifically meaning that the S&P had gone higher with lighter volume after coming down. The NASDAQ had come down with volume. They got over the highs today. You're going to see high volatility, lower prices coming at us, which is really unusual, folks, for a holiday trading. But that's how this market's set up right now. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract is trading at 1085. Gold with 102,000 contracts. Now that's big volume contracts as you're going into into this lower level. So it looks like gold is going to try to run into this 1079 area. King dollar. The way King dollar is set up right now, King dollar is an ABC structure in the way up, and it almost hit the full 1.00. We've hit 99.60. I do expect that you are going to hit that number up there. We'll see how it reacts as we get up to that number. What are we looking out here for today? What you're looking at, folks, is this, is that the SPYs have the 3 black crows happening, which is saying that there's going to be a much further downdraft. The SPYs trading at 208.22, and what you're going to get out of that, if we close at the end of the week, that's going to be a failure of the August 20th level. The NDX 100 is the screamer out here, and what that's all about, folks, okay, that's already failed, and Apple is the culprit out here. You know, Apple gapped down yesterday. It's down $1.40 today. Volume is exploding again on Apple. Bottom line is that Apple is going to bring down the NDX 100. It's the largest weighting inside it. It's a very large weighting inside the S&P. It's also a large weighting inside the Dow Industrials. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by EverBank. For more information on the products they offer, you can call 855-750-4051, or you can visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock. If you're looking for a great opportunity to diversify your financial portfolio and hedge against the falling stock market, consider the new market-safe Metals Hedge CD from Everbank. This 5-year indexed U.S. dollar-denominated CD gives you exposure to metals with gold and silver components and allows you to hedge against falling equities with a short component on the SPY ETF. You can earn up to 45% capped upside payment at maturity if gold and silver increase in value and the SPY ETF decreases across annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There is no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on the CD. Don't let fallen markets get you down. Get the Metals Hedge CD. The November 12th funding deadline is quickly approaching, so hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. This is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.